So you want to know about air duct cleaning. You want better air quality in your space, or maybe you just finished a renovation. Maybe you've never had an air duct cleaning before. Maybe you're looking for relief from allergies, or you want to improve the efficiency of your system. A proper cleaning of your HVAC system can accomplish these benefits and more. But where do you start? How do you know if you even need an air duct cleaning? How do you pick the right company to take care of your space? And how do you know if they did a good job? Well, today, we'll answer those questions and explain what to expect from a proper full system cleaning. We'll get into the science of airflow through your space. We'll talk about what to watch out for when deciding which cleaning company to trust. Let's get to it. This is your HVAC system. It keeps air flowing and temperature controlled so that your space is well ventilated and comfortable. In most residential settings, it's made up of a furnace, an air conditioner, an evaporator coil, vents, and ductwork. There are two sides of the system, the supply side and the return side. The supply side provides temperature-conditioned air from your heating and cooling system. You can tell which of your vents are from the supply side because these are the ones that you can feel pushing out hot or cold air. The return side pulls air from your rooms back into your system to be filtered, heated or cooled, and recirculated through your home. Both sides become pathways for dirt, dust, debris, and biological contaminants such as mold. These contaminants and particulates get circulated through your space as air flows. That's why you need a cleaning company that cleans your entire system and removes these contaminants from your home. So what do you look for in an air duct cleaning company? First of all, you want someone who is NACA certified. NACA is the National Air Duct Cleaners Association. They set the international standard for HVAC cleaning and make sure companies are properly educated, performing at a professional level. The second thing to look for is a company that uses methods to complete source removal, meaning they remove the dirt from your system rather than just blow it around. You want to watch out for blow-and-go companies that offer a low-cost fee to blow air into your ducts without truly removing the dirt and debris. These types of cleanings may be easier on the wallet, but won't give you any of the benefits of a proper HVAC system cleaning. They're a waste of your precious time and money. At Stanley Steemer, we're both NACA certified and use source removal when cleaning your ducts. Our method for cleaning your HVAC system uses negative air pressure. This means that when we hook up our cleaning equipment to your system, we're employing a powerful vacuum force to pull dirt and debris from your system into our truck. Our technicians then use a variety of tools to help loosen and dislodge any dirt or debris lodged in your ducts, and use air to push that dirt toward our vacuum equipment. Here's an example of this principle in its simplest form. One side of this tube is the vacuum pull of our truck. If we turn on the vacuum, some of the balls move toward that side. We'll use this airball tool to dislodge the stubborn ones and move them toward our vacuum truck. As they get closer to the source of the vacuum, they're quickly removed from the tube and therefore your space altogether. Healthy indoor air is an important part of making any space feel like home. Whether you're a homeowner, a business, or a community gathering space, an air duct cleaning will make your space a cleaner, healthier, and more welcome place to enjoy. Call or go online to book a free inspection today.